Hi viewers, today we are going to see the basic differences between baking soda and baking powder. But before going into differences, we will see what is the individual ingredients of it. First we will check with baking soda. The baking soda ingredients include only sodium bicarbonate. It doesn't have any other ingredients included in it. While coming to baking powder, the ingredients include sodium bicarbonate, sodium aluminum sulfate and corn flour. As we have seen the ingredients related to it, and the sodium bicarbonate soda, it has only a single ingredient, whereas baking soda contains bicarbonate soda plus acidic nature included in it. So the reactions will be different based upon its nature. Now we will see the reactions. Before starting with the reaction, I have taken the baking soda in the respective bowl and baking powder in the respective bowl. And the baking soda reacts with lemon, vinegar and any other acidic components. It doesn't react with water. Whereas baking powder contains sodium bicarbonate inbuilt in it, it directly reacts with water. Now we will check it how it responds with water first. Now we are checking with the baking soda first. Now I am mixing the water with baking soda and just see whether it reacts or not. Yes, I don't see any reactions on it. That means the baking soda is not reacting with water. Now I will check the same with lemon to see if it reacts or not. Now in the same component, I am putting the lemon just to see the reactions of it. So it reacts. Now we are seeing that baking soda is getting reacted with lemon. Now we will check the same with baking powder, that it reacts with water directly. Now I am taking water and dropping it in the baking powder to see whether it reacts or not. And we see that it reacts with water as it has a baking soda inbuilt in it. Now in case if you do not have a baking powder, you can just use by using the baking soda. Half tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of lemon provides a reaction what baking powder provides. So this can be used as a substitute for the baking powder. I hope you understood the basic differences between the baking soda and the baking powder. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and comment to my channel and provide any comments in the comment section so that I can come up with any new ideas. Thanks for watching.